Hi dear students, today we are solving question 30 of the ACET paper. Then which of the binomial distribution is symmetric? Symmetry is just like this, so both the sides are same, although my drawing doesn't suggest that. Okay, so binomial distribution, so always know only the specific value of this. So here it's happen only if p equal to half. So in this case, only in the specific values of this, C is the answer. A discrete random variable is being given, then the difference between the mean and the median. So x is here and px is here. 1, so 1 by 36, 2, so 3 by 36, then 3, so 5 by 36, 4, 7 by 36, 5, 9 by 36, and 6 is 11 by 36. So expected value is the product of this into this into this, and you add it together. Okay, so all are divided by 36. This will give you 161 by 36. This is and median is 5. Okay, so the difference is 5 minus 161 by 36, so 19 by 36. So this lies between 0.5 and 1. So answer to this question is B. Next, proceed to the next question. 32 is stem and leaf. Script score of the students on a test. So the model score. So let's find out the model score. Model score is one with highest frequency. So the highest frequency happens at 6 with 777. So 67 occurs thrice. This is unique value as well. 32 is A.